on the touch 3 times before. Oh, serious, ask him. Ask the man behind the camera. So let's take it back again. Guys, Charlie, 20 cedi, no be small money for Ghana Hero.
Okay,
I'm
taking it.
Okay, yeah, we're taking it again.
Okay.
Hey, but Charlie, you be smart too. So guys, little misunderstanding, you understand? So we are taking it again. Okay, your time still remain 1, 2, 3, action.
I'm done. Are you
Okay, yes. She won the challenge.
20 cedis.
Yes. So send me your account number, let me send to you right now.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm coming. Hey.
5
Okay.
5 seconds.
5 seconds.
I know.
1, 2, 3. How many letters?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, so mention your account number to me. Let me send it to you. Mention your number.
0 to 4. 8 5.
Send. Have you said? Check your phone, guys. I made a payment of 20 cedi. Yes. Have you said?
Yes, I've seen it.
Okay. So Charlie, if one can this challenge, make sure to get in touch with us. The number where they show for them, just contact or WhatsApp us. Charlie.